clever strategies to help you master affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing will only yield the best results if you are putting the power of successful, proven strategies to work. By learning as much as possible about the subject, and making the time to apply the best suggestions, you can go on to build the ultimate level of financial independence. This video will give you some great advice on what you can do to make improvement in the area. If you are operating a web business that is providing local services, then you need to start out seeking local sponsorship and traffic rather than wider exposure. Check out the local Chamber of Commerce and local business directories in order to find great listing opportunities. Nothing is better for your search engine rankings than for people to search for your site by name. Develop different site for different affiliate programs, especially if the products that you are advertising are very diverse. You can use subdomains to cut down on cost. If you have 10 different affiliate programs going, do not try to make them all fit within your one site. You may confuse your visitors. To get the most out of an affiliate marketing program, it's vital to know your audience. Find out why people are coming to your site and what they are looking for. Provide affiliate products that meet their needs. Focus on things that are relevant to your site and are more likely to catch people's attention. The best way to use affiliate marketing is to know your audience. You need to ask yourself why people are coming to your site, and what it is they want. Once you know that, you will be more successful because you will be able to give people what they are looking for. You should make sure that you do some research about sites you are thinking about linking with, before agreeing to link. There are some websites that may have some similarities to yours but have a horrible reputation. You do not want to link yourself with a site that has a bad reputation or poor reviews. Many have achieved a heightened level of personal and financial success through affiliate marketing. The key to that success, however, is thorough education about what works and what does not. By using the information in this video, you can seize control of your business life and achieve the kind of results you have always desired. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.